Hello folks, just want to share with you a update to Photoshop AI. Within this particular image, this is an image I recorded in Brook Park some time ago, and what I'm about to do now is I'm about to just change the look of it by using some instructions. And what I've done is down at the bottom here, you type your instructions, you use your lasso tool, you identify the area you want to change, type your instructions in, and then generate. And it will generate several options for you to choose from. So again, I have made my selections using my lasso tool, and that's just a matter of going around the area that you want to change. So I want some evergreen trees in here, so I'm going to replace them, and now I've got some evergreen trees in here, tall evergreen trees. And on this particular side, I wanted to balance the look of these trees because these ones look too wintry for this side, and I balanced these ones to fit in with the scene. It quite looks like as if it were a golfing area. You can see a little clubhouse in the background, which has been generated by the computer. Next thing is I'm going to put in this whole tree here now. It just doesn't suit the scene, so we're going to again choose a evergreen tall tree and replace it. And then replacing this, it sort of created a few vehicles in the background which tie in with this little clubhouse at the top of the scene. And this is a bit rather vacant, and decided we put a pond in here. And I'm going to just drop a pond in there. And the pond is picked up on the reflections of the trees opposite. So we've moved from that mundane picture of Brook Park to something that could, let's say, be more interesting. This is the power of AI, and AI has over the last couple of months just got better and better, and it's currently able to receive instructions in over 100 languages. So AI is not going to disappear anytime soon. Embrace it, experiment with it, and perhaps you will find that it will add to your creativity. It's not going to replace your photographic skills, but what it can do is it can make one of your images a little more interesting if you apply your creativity to work. So, hope you enjoyed it, and this would encourage you to effectively use your subscription. If you're subscribed to Adobe, then you will have access to this particular method of carrying out changes to your images. Bye for now.